Hey, it's me, Leah, and you're wondering what I'm holding in my hand. And no, this is not a purse. We do believe this is a whole stool in this small little bag right here. I mean, it's small enough to be a purse. But what is amazing is that this is actually a stool, but small enough to be like a little clutch. I bought this on Amazon because I just had to. So this is where the magic happens, because this right here is your seat and the legs are inside, and you're wondering, how does this even work? Let me show you. Boom. Just like that. It folded out to a tiny little stool. And I'm not a small person, all right, by any means. I am not a small person. So I'm going to show you me sitting on this, because I'm telling you, this is going to hold your weight. And when you're done and you're ready to go, you just fold it up just like that. Yes, that is amazing. But enough about that. Let me show you me sitting on it. I mean, there you saw it. I'm not a small person, and I wiggled in it, and I sat in it just fine. And it pops just out. And this is like some nice durable metal, and I love the spring action right here. So it's really giving me that support I need. Like, I had to buy this. I go to a lot of places where I have to stand in line, concerts, kids at a park. Again, it's real simple to take apart. Boom, boom, boom. And wrap it around. And that's it. You're done. I bought this because I had to have this, because out here I have parks and festivals and concerts and stuff, and sometimes I want to sit down and not stand in line, and I have this portable stool to take with me, and I highly recommend this.